right, nail techs, I'm gonna teach you a nail hack that I learned a few years ago, and this is gonna make your life so much easier. You know how like you're always buying buffing blocks and what have you to try to buff the toenails and fingernails if you want, but I mainly specialize in toes, so we'll talk about toes today. You know those buffer blocks, and it's just such a waste because they're this big, and even if you get the small ones, there's still so much grit on it left that, you know, it's a waste to throw it away, but you have to throw it away because those things are contaminated. Once you use them on somebody, there's dead skin cells and what have you, bits of nail and stuff stuck down in the grit. So those are one-use items. Here's the hack. You know these strips, these are the grits. They come in different 180, 240, whatever. This is a Zebra 180 grit. You can buy them in packs. Back Scratchers has them, Amazon has them right here. I write on it last when this is my last pack and I'm almost out. Buy a pack of these. These are the ones that have the peel back, that you peel back, you know, and then you stick them on the metal files. What you do then is you cut these in four sections. So then what you're left with are these. So then per client, you just peel off the back of one of these. Get this, you're gonna love this. It sticks to your finger, so you can't drop it, because you know how you're buffing, all of a sudden the buffing block goes flying away? This doesn't do that. Then you can go over the toes and buff, 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 and throw it away when you're done. The end. Simple, easy. Now, wasn't that a great hack? If you like this, give it a thumbs up and give me a comment. Peace out, nail techs.